I didn't want to rely on one source of income. That's why I started this side hustle. Check this out. These are my commissions, as you can see in the screen, $48, $48, $98. Back in the day when I had a job, my boss wasn't paying me enough money. And I started to looking for ways to make money online. And I tried many different things and I failed. I failed a lot. And I remember one day I saw a video on YouTube about affiliate marketing. And this person was explaining that in order to make money with affiliate marketing, I don't need to create a product, I don't need to buy inventory or ship anything. I just need to know how to market, promote, and sell the product to an audience. And I started to learn the different ways I can do that. And it took me 1 year to get my first online commission because I didn't quit. And the only thing I did was that I upload 1 video per day on YouTube. And when I had enough videos, those views gave me clicks to my affiliate links. And those clicks gave me sales. And if you want to succeed with affiliate marketing, I'm telling you right now, you need to put in the work because it takes time, hard work, and effort. Now, let me show you the strategy I use to make commissions online. Check this out. I'm driving traffic to this opt-in page, and this page has a good title, information, and a picture. And I'm telling people that if they subscribe by clicking this button, I'm going to send to them this ebook. The name of the software I use for my opt-in pages is ClickFunnels. And then ClickFunnels is going to send that information, the name and the email address, to this software. The name is GetResponse. And I use GetResponse for email marketing. If I click on automation, I have set up these emails that GetResponse is going to send automatically to my email list. And inside of the emails, people are going to find valuable information and my affiliate links. And if someone buys through my affiliate link, I can earn a commission. And one of the most important things is to grow the email list every day. Now, one of the best methods to drive traffic to your funnel is YouTube. Because you can create content or videos about the things you use every day and put the link of your opt-in page in the description. And as you grow your own audience about the things you like, you are going to start collecting leads. And once you have the leads, you can start promoting products. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Talk to you soon.